Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score. We go to settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here, in this page, we click on app, this app of AI score. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.